Welcome to the Islamic Stuff channel. In this video, we will discuss the impacts of halal and haram income on individuals and societies. Earning a halal income is more than a financial pursuit. It is a spiritual and moral commitment that transforms both the individual and society. At its core, halal income is derived from ethical and permissible means, ensuring that one's livelihood does not exploit others or violate principles of justice and fairness. This creates a deep sense of accountability towards God and the community, instilling humility and gratitude in the individual. A person who earns through halal means is often conscious of the weight of their actions, cultivating traits like integrity, discipline, and self-restraint. These virtues spill over into other aspects of life, fostering relationships built on trust and mutual respect. In essence, halal income isn't just about earning. It's about embodying a way of life that prioritizes morality over materialism. When a society values halal income, it lays the foundation for collective well-being and sustainable growth. Such a society is characterized by fair trade, equitable wealth distribution, and reduced corruption, creating an environment where dignity and justice flourish. Communities built on halal principles encourage mutual aid, as wealth is seen not as a tool for domination, but as a means to uplift others. By rejecting unethical practices, societies reduce systemic injustices that often lead to poverty, inequality, and social unrest. Halal income becomes the bedrock of a culture that values not just economic success, but moral and spiritual prosperity. Together, these principles create a world where individuals and societies thrive in harmony, driven by a shared commitment to what is right and just. If we want to build a good society and the world a better living place, we all must turn towards halal income. May Allah be least with us. Amen. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.